Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel and supporting me from time to time. So this is a challenging question on the screen from algebra inequality. If x, y, z all greater than 0, prove that x over x plus square root of x plus y into square root of x plus z plus y over y plus square root of product of y plus z and y plus x plus z over z plus square root of z plus y into z plus x is less than equals to 1. So first, uh, I'll try to prove this expression x plus y into x plus z. I'll prove that this is greater than square root of xy plus square root of z, y x z. So, or to prove square root of x square plus yx plus yz plus your zx is greater than equals to square root of xy plus square root of xz. Or I have to prove that to prove x square plus yx plus yz plus zx is greater than equals to square of this. I am taking square of this. So here it will be x square xy plus xz plus your twice x square into y z square root. Now xy is there, xz is there. Or to prove x square plus yz is greater than equals to 2x into square root yz. I can prove this using arithmetic and geometric means. So taking arithmetic mean and geometric mean, inequality for x square and yz, like x square plus yz over 2 is greater than equals to 2 not 2, sorry, x square yz whole square, or x square plus yz is greater than equals to 2x yz. So we proved. That means we proved this one. So square root of x plus y into x plus z is greater than equals to xy plus square root yz xz. So now I'm writing the first expression. So x over x plus square root x plus y into x plus z. The denominator is greater than this, so this will be less than inequality, will be x over x plus square root of xy plus square root of xz. Or how much is this? This is your x, and I'll take x common, then it will be square root of x common, sorry, square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of z, and this will be cancelled with square root of x, So ultimately we are getting x over x plus square root of x plus y into x plus z is less than equals to square root of x over square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of z. I hope you are now getting the idea. Coming to second term, y over y plus square root of y plus z into y plus x, you can write using the symmetry, it will be less than equals to square root of y over square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of z. And third one, z over z plus square root of z plus x into z plus y is less than equals to square root of z over square root of z plus square root of x plus square root of y. Now we will add all the three expressions. So x over x plus square root of x plus y into x plus z plus y over y plus x into y plus z z over z plus square root x z plus x into z plus y is less than equals to square root of x by square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of z plus square root of y over square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of z plus square root of z over square root of z plus square root of x plus square root of y is less than or equals to square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of z over square root of x plus square root of y plus square root of z. That gives you 1. So we prove that x over x plus square root of x plus y into x plus z. Please have patience because I am writing the last statement. Y plus that will be complete the proof. Plus z over z plus square root of z plus x plus z plus y is less than equals to 1. So thank you for patient watching. Thank you.